Hi guys, Paul here from Muscle Car UK and Pilgrim MotorSports. Look what we've got here. We've got a black S550. Now a lot of you have got these cars and a lot of people dream about these cars. This is a one owner from new car. It's come in part exchange against one of our classics. This car spent a lot of time doing charity work. You may have seen it. It's been going around doing all the big shows and people have been able to drive in it, pay a small price and go out in it. So it hasn't done a great deal of mileage. I think it's just clicked 30,000 miles, but it's got a great deal of spec. And of course, a lot of you guys buy them and have things added to them. And there is certain extras that everyone wants the upgrades. Now this car's pretty much had it all done other than the supercharger. So you've got a car here, it's got a 350 GT heads, it's got the suspension done, it's got all the upgrades that you would really like and makes it drive so much better. But it's lovely in this black. It's got a slight little blue pinstripe here with the matte black stripes, really done classy, really is beautiful. I mean, if you can look round the side of the car and at the front, it has that real aggressive look to it. As you can see, it's got these beautiful carbon fibre splitters on the front here, which really does make it look really exciting and aggressive. And it's got the lovely black out here with the carbon fibre black pony on it. I mean, it really does look superb from the front, this car. And then you come down the side of it here, and you can see again the carbon fibre runs all the way through with the side skirts, and it's got little embellishments here like the 5 litre and the carbon fibre here. It's got beautiful anthracite wheels as well, so you get a lovely change from black to grey, and you've got the grey in the carbon fibre here as well, so it all goes around and really does give it that sort of punchy, meaty look which we all love about the Mustangs. But this gentleman who had this has really gone to all extremes. Even in the interior has had other things done to it, which we'll show you in a little while. But if you look down the car, it's beautiful. It's never had any accident damage or anything like that. He's had it from new. And to be honest, as I said, the only reason he's selling it, or he's given it, or we've had the deal rather, is because he's bought a really high-end classic off us, and he just fancied a change. He has other cars in his collection, so it wasn't his daily car, but loves Mustangs like we all do. But again, if you have a look at the back, it looks beautiful. Look at this gorgeous rear splitter. I mean, that really is beautiful, the shape of that, as you can see with the lights here. And of course, popping out from here, we've got a couple of upgraded exhausts which sound absolutely superb as well, which you'll hear in a minute. Not too loud, but enough so you know that it's a 5 litre and it's quite a chunky car. So let's have a look at the interior and see what he's done in there. Inside these S550s, they are really comfortable and a great car to drive. We've had a demo for quite some time and I love driving that because they are really comfortable. It's beautiful leather seating. But you can see also he's had here the 350 GTR steering wheel put on. So it's got that sort of flat end bottom. It's got this lovely sort of I'm not suede sort of feel to it, which is absolutely gorgeous. But you can also notice it's had all the carbon fibre effect all the way through the whole car. So the carbon fibre goes down the centre console here. You've got it all over the dashboard, gear knob. It really does give it that little extra plushness and modern feel to it. Of course, these have all got electric seats, electric slumber. They really are a great car. You know, you've got all your air conditioning there, you've got your sat nav, you've got everything you'd want on one of these cars. It really is something special. And once you're in it, you'll love driving it, and you'll hear that lovely tone from the exhaust as you go down the motorway. But a great S550, one owner from new, stack of bills, stack of history, all the parts he's had, he's kept them all in a file, really looked after, cherished and polished car, not a used and abused. It's absolutely gorgeous. And the next owner is going to love this car because it's got nothing to do. You know, the gentleman has spent the money, he's done it correctly, and it's a beautiful car for any Mustang enthusiast who wants to get into an S550 the correct way. This is it. If you wanted to buy a new one now with all this spec on it, you would be looking up to £60,000. So this looks great value, great fun to drive, and I don't think it's going to last long. So give us a call, come down and see us, and I'll take you out for a test drive, and you will fall in love like everyone does with the Mustangs. Let's have a look underneath the bonnet. Well, we know that it's got a gorgeous engine in here before we start, so well, there we go. Beautiful condition. Again, carbon fibre effect underneath here. You know, these things cost a lot of money, and I believe they got shipped in from America. Again, it's got the 350 GT intake, so it gives it that extra oomph. It's got an induction kit here as well, cold air induction kit, to give it a little bit more power as well, just a few horsepower extra, but really beautiful down the sides, etc., as you would expect, in really great condition. This has been really cared for, this car, all the way through it. Looks really lovely. It's got the Ford suspension brace across the top of here, Ford Performance. Just a great car. Wherever you look, whether it's the interior or the exterior, he's loved and cherished this car. And it's a great testament to him because it's beautiful. And I think the next owner is going to be absolutely delighted with it. Here we are on this S550, the black one. It's absolutely a stunning car. I mean, interior really does set itself off with all this carbon fibre effect. It's just gorgeous. You know, you've also got in here, you've got the sat nav, you've got the shaker sound system, you've got air conditioned seats, heated seats, you've got the beautiful 350 steering wheel on here, which really does make it feel like it drives really superbly. And it really is a stunning car all the way through. The little bits that the gentleman previous to this who owned it from new has put on,